Bless you. Bless you. Taylor's all snuggled up in bed with Daddy. She's all tucked in. She's just got changed in her pink outfit, and she's super cute. Yay! Yeah, having fun? Whoa. Whoa. Oh, she's thinking. Is that a modeling pose? You modeling? Oh.